So today I'll be showing you what to do in case your Mi remote is not working. So you're trying to control your Mi or Google TV, but the Mi remote doesn't seem to be working. So there are a couple of things you can do. First of all is to check for any physical damage on that remote, especially this area where the transmission comes from. So if there's no physical damage, the next thing you want to check is the batteries. Okay, you might have run out of batteries, or your batteries might have been depleted. So just go to the back of your remote. So the remote like this, just go to the back, just slide that door open and check the state of the batteries. You might want to consider changing the batteries and see if it works. Okay, now if that still doesn't work, you might want to take out the batteries. So you can take out the batteries by pushing this one down and this one down. And if you had previously overstayed with batteries that took too long, sometimes some batteries leak. Okay, and once they leak, they might cause some rust in those connectors. So you might want to take something like an old toothbrush and just try to clean out those connectors like this. So you might have some rust from old batteries that had leaked previously, and they might be causing some connection issues. So once you clean, just put the batteries back, especially if you've confirmed you have new batteries or the batteries are working on other devices. Then after cleaning, put them back in and then try to use your remote. Now, if that still doesn't work, then you might want to repair, maybe unpair and repair your remote. And to do that, you want to press and hold two buttons. Now that's the Mi button, this one right here, and the home button. So these two buttons right here, you want to press and hold those two buttons. So press and hold, keep holding, and once it's disconnected, just go ahead and press and hold once again, and they should get connected. Okay, so it might be a software issue. Maybe your TV forgot the remote, and you might want to do that to repair the remote to the TV. Okay, now if that still doesn't work, then you might want to consider restarting your Mi TV. So just basically unplug it from power, plug it back in, and then maybe that should work. Now, if all doesn't work and you're unable to use your remote, then you might need a new remote at some point. You might want to check on Amazon for a new Mi remote. Meanwhile, while you wait for that new remote, you can use your phone. On your phone, whether it's Android or iPhone, just go to the Google Home app. Okay, if you don't have it, you can just go ahead and install it. So go to the Google Home app, launch it. Make sure that Google Home app is signed in to the same Google account that's signed in on the TV. And then also make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that's connected to the TV. Once you ensure all that, then in your devices, you can go to devices, add a device, and then you should see your Mi TV. So here's mine. It's actually in the favorites box under devices. So I can just come here, find my Mi TV, tap on it, and then tap on open remote. And then you can have that pairing code. So just go ahead and enter the code to pair your TV to your phone. 46F, and then tap on pair. And once you're paired, you now have a remote on your phone that you can use to navigate your Mi TV. Okay, so that's basically what you can do in case your Mi remote is not working, or your Mi TV remote. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.